Best Shopify theme for beginners. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I welcome you warmly. I make all sorts of tech-related and online marketing videos about platforms such as Shopify. Today, we're diving into a topic that trips up a lot of first-time store owners, choosing the best Shopify theme to get started with. Now, I know how tempting it is to pick something that just looks pretty, but when you're just starting out, there's so much more to it than design. Your theme actually plays a huge role in how your customers experience your store, how fast it loads, how it looks on mobile devices, and yes, how likely people are to buy from you. So in this video, I'm going to break down the best Shopify themes for beginners in 2025. We'll look at both free and paid options, and I'll give you my honest recommendation based on experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which theme is right for your store, no tech background needed. Let's get into it. Why choosing the right theme matters. Let's start with something a lot of beginners don't realize. Your theme is more than just your website's appearance. It's actually the foundation of your entire online store. Think of it like the layout and structure of a physical retail space. If people walk into a store and they can't find what they're looking for, or it takes forever to load, they're going to walk out. Online shoppers do the exact same thing, and usually even faster. The theme you choose affects how fast your store loads, how it looks on mobile phones and tablets, how easy it is to find products, and how customizable your store is as you grow. The right theme can help your products shine, build trust with customers, and make shopping a smooth experience, all without hiring a designer or touching a single line of code. If you're brand new to Shopify, you definitely don't want something too complex or bloated with features you don't need yet. You want something clean, lightweight, and easy to manage. So let's start with some of the best free Shopify themes that are perfect for beginners in 2025. Best free Shopify themes for beginners. When you first set up your Shopify store, the theme that comes pre-installed is called Dawn, and honestly, if you're a beginner, Dawn is a fantastic place to start. Dawn is Shopify's flagship free theme, and it's been designed specifically with the modern beginner in mind. It has a clean, minimal layout that works for just about any product category, whether you're selling clothing, beauty products, digital goods, or something totally unique. The best part, it's built using Shopify's latest tech framework, called Online Store 2.0, which basically means it's faster, more flexible, and future-proof. Everything in Dawn is editable through Shopify's visual editor. You can change colors, fonts, homepage sections, and even rearrange product page elements, all with drag-and-drop tools. There's no coding required, which is why it's such a great option for first-time store owners. Now, if you're selling something a little more niche, like skincare or wellness products, you might want to check out another free Shopify theme called Sense. Sense has a slightly more stylized feel than Dawn. It's perfect for brands that want to tell a story and emphasize things like product benefits, ingredients, or lifestyle photography. It's still very beginner-friendly and built on Online Store 2.0, but it gives off more of a polished, brand-focused vibe right out of the box. And if your store is all about energy, fun, or food, let's say you're selling snacks, drinks, or anything playful and colorful, then Crave is another great free theme worth exploring. Crave uses bold colors, large imagery, and a very dynamic layout to grab attention quickly. It's designed for mobile-first users, which is perfect since most Shopify traffic today comes from phones. All three of these themes, Dawn, Sense, and Crave, are completely free and available right inside the Shopify theme store. They're well-maintained, lightning fast, and super flexible, even if you've never built a website before. And honestly, you could run a six-figure store using any of these. That's how good they've become. Best paid Shopify themes for beginners. Now, let's say you're ready to invest a little bit into your store and you want something more powerful or unique. Shopify has a great selection of paid themes that come with extra features and more advanced customization options. One of the most popular premium themes, and one I recommend often, is called Impulse. Impulse is known for its high-converting design and is used by some of the top-performing Shopify stores out there. It's fast, beautiful, and comes packed with features that help boost sales. Things like countdown timers, promotional banners, product filtering, and in menu promos. Impulse also makes it incredibly easy to create a visually stunning homepage with tons of sections to highlight your brand story, values, or deals. It's a bit of an investment, around $380, but if you're serious about growing your business and you want something that's going to scale with you, Impulse is worth every penny. Another great option for beginners who still want that premium look is the Prestige theme. Prestige is a beautiful, editorial-style theme that's perfect for luxury or high-end brands. If your products are more boutique or upscale, like fashion, jewelry, or skincare, Prestige gives you that polished, elegant vibe with very little effort. It's highly visual and storytelling focused, which is great if you're relying on brand image and lifestyle photography to make sales. Finally, I want to mention a newer theme that's technically free but feels more premium, and that's Refresh. Refresh is clean, modern, and incredibly easy to work with. It's bold, but minimal. If you want something that looks professional but don't have the budget for a $300 plus theme just yet, Refresh could be a perfect middle ground. It's very easy to navigate, easy to customize, and it performs really well on both desktop and mobile. What to look for in a theme? So now that we've looked at some specific themes, I want to share a few key things to keep in mind when deciding which one is right for you, especially if you're a beginner. First, make sure the theme is fully responsive, which means it adjusts beautifully on mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. Most modern Shopify themes are, but it's always worth double-checking. Mobile optimization is critical because more than 70% of your visitors will be browsing on their phones. Next, look at how fast the theme loads. A fast-loading site improves user experience and reduces bounce rates, which can lead to more sales. All the themes I mentioned today are optimized for speed, but if you go exploring beyond the ones we covered, keep this in mind. You'll also want a theme that gives you enough layout flexibility. As a beginner, you want to be able to add or remove sections from your home page and product pages easily, without hiring a developer. Look for themes that support Shopify's online store 2.0 editor, because that lets you use drag-and-drop customization anywhere on your site. Lastly, make sure the theme is regularly updated and well supported. When Shopify rolls out new features, your theme needs to keep up. All the themes we talked about today, whether free or paid, are officially supported and maintained through the Shopify theme store, so you're safe there. My final recommendation. Alright, so with all of that said, here's my honest recommendation if you're starting your first Shopify store this year. If you're on a tight budget or just testing an idea, stick with a free theme like Dawn or Sense. These themes are modern, flexible, and built to grow with you. You can easily launch a store that looks professional and start making sales without spending anything upfront. But if you have the budget and you know you're committed to building this business, investing in a paid theme like Impulse or Prestige can give you a huge head start, not just in design, but in functionality too. Think of it like paying for convenience and speed. It just makes things easier and faster to get right the first time. Whatever you choose, remember that your theme is just one piece of the puzzle. Your product quality, your messaging, your images, and your customer experience matter even more. But starting with a clean, easy-to-use theme gives you a strong foundation to build the rest of your business on. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped clear up some of the confusion around Shopify themes and gave you a clearer picture of which one to choose. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're launching your store soon, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of products you're selling. I love seeing what you all are working on, and who knows, I might feature your store in a future video. Make sure to subscribe if you want more Shopify tips, theme reviews, and beginner tutorials just like this. I upload every Monday and Thursday, inshallah, so keep in tune for more beneficial and helpful videos coming in the future. Not only will we discuss about Shopify and tips and tricks about it, but we will show other platforms and comparisons between many platforms, so keep an eye out. Because every platform has its ups and downs, and not all platform fits everyone's shoe or criteria, so before starting marketing, you must see all the available options and then choose what is best. But yes, that wraps today's video. Thank you so much for watching and bye.